Hello, my friend family. Hope you guys are good. Today, I've got Sharon with me over here. She's going to share her experience of A2A that she did with me. And she's also going to share her airport experience, how long it took, and the requirements for A2A. So here we go. Sharon, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
First of all, Sharon, I would like to thank you for using Kareem, the African advisor.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Sharon, tell me, what are the requirements for A2A, first of all?
The requirements for it is a passport copy. You need a cancellation copy or a visa copy. Then you have to have also white background passport size picture.
Right. And then, Sharon, tell me, how long did it take for you to leave UAE and come back to in UAE?
It only took me 3 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, those people who work in a night shift or evening shift, they can always be back on time and they can always be able to attend their job on time. So my African brothers, if you want to do A2A, if you want to do visa, if you want to do freelance visa,